Have you ever wanted to tell a friend about all the great things you did today, but you just couldn't find the right words? I have felt that way so many times. Today, we're going to unlock the secret to talking about your day. So stay with us, because in just a moment, we're going to show you how to use the present perfect tense in real life. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Maya. Hello, Jack.
Hi, Maya. Hello, everyone. It is so good to be here today. I am very, very excited for this episode. I'm a little bit tired, to be honest, but it is a good kind of tired. Do you know what I mean? When you do so many things, you feel tired, but you also feel proud of what you've achieved.
Yes, absolutely. When you accomplish a lot, that tired feeling is like a badge of honor. But wait, Jack, you just did it. You used the very grammar we are talking about today without even realizing it.
Did I? Oh, wait. I said what you've achieved, and earlier I thought, I have done so many things this morning. I have done. Yes, that is the present perfect. It sounds really fancy and grammatical, but it's actually super simple and incredibly useful in everyday conversations.
It really is. It's actually one of my favorite ways to speak English because it connects the past to right now. But before we dive into the details, we should say a quick hello to everyone listening. Hi to all our friends tuning in.
Yes, a huge welcome to everyone. And hey, if you enjoy our conversations and find them helpful, please hit that like button right now. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe so you can keep learning with us every single week. Share this with your friends and family too.
Yes, please do. Sharing is caring. Now, Jack, let's break this down. Why is the present perfect so perfect for talking about our day?
Well, Maya, think about it this way. Sometimes we want to talk about things we did today or this week, but that time period isn't finished yet. Like today is still happening, right? So instead of just using the simple past, we use two special words together. We use have or has and then a past participle word, like a past word.
Like eaten or seen or walked?
Exactly. For example, instead of just I ate breakfast, which sounds like it's completely in the past, you can say I have eaten breakfast today. It means you did it today and the results are still important now.
That makes total sense. Let's practice with our own day. Jack, tell me one thing you have done today.
Let's see. Well, this morning I have drunk a very big cup of coffee. Actually, make that 2 cups of coffee. I really needed the energy.
Classic Jack, you and your coffee. So you say, I have drunk. Perfect. For me, I have walked my dog in the park today. The weather is beautiful and sunny, so we stayed out for about 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That's awesome exercise, Maya. I'm sure your dog is super happy now.
Oh, he is exhausted. He has fallen fast asleep on the rug. But notice how I said, I have walked. For many regular verbs, we just add ed to the end. I have walked, I have talked, I have cleaned.
Speaking of cleaning, I have actually cleaned my kitchen today. It was a complete disaster after breakfast, but now it's spotless.
Lucky you. I have not cleaned my kitchen yet. It's still a mess, but I'll get to it later. And see, I have not cleaned is how we make it negative. We just add not right after have.
That is a very realistic sentence, Maya. I think a lot of our listeners can relate to I have not cleaned my kitchen yet.
They definitely can. Life gets busy. Now, Jack, what if we are talking about someone else? Does the rule change?
Just a little bit. For I, you, we, and they, we always use have. Like we have started our podcast or they have arrived. But for he, she, or it, we change have to has. H-A-S.
Got it. So, he has cleaned the kitchen or she has walked her dog. That's a very simple adjustment.
Exactly. You've got it down perfectly. It's all about matching the subject.
This is great. Let's keep going. It's afternoon now. Jack, have you eaten lunch?
Yes, I have. I have eaten a delicious sandwich with cheese, tomatoes, and lettuce. It was amazing, and I have eaten the whole thing.
Oh, now you're making me hungry. I have not eaten lunch yet. I'm waiting until we finish.